Today, we're diving into a practical guide on how to save money by canceling unused subscriptions. This presentation, brought to you by Wealthwise Together, will help you identify those hidden or forgotten expenses that quietly drain your budget. We'll walk through how to audit your subscriptions carefully and eliminate the ones you no longer need. The goal is simple. Start saving money right away by taking control of your recurring costs. Let's get started on this journey to smarter spending and greater financial freedom. Today, I want to talk about something that often goes unnoticed, but can have a big impact on our budgets: hidden subscription costs. Many of us have multiple subscriptions: streaming services we rarely watch, apps we don't use anymore, or memberships that have slipped out of our routine. Each one might seem small on its own, but together, they quietly drain our finances month after month. The key is to identify these hidden expenses so we can take control of our spending. It's time to shine a light on where your money is really going and stop those unnecessary leaks. Let's talk about why canceling unused subscriptions really matters. On average, people pay for 3 to 5 subscriptions they don't even use each month. That might sound small, but over the course of a year, these costs add up to hundreds of dollars. When you cancel these subscriptions, you're freeing up money that can go towards your savings or other financial priorities. Beyond the money, having unused subscriptions creates financial clutter and can add unnecessary stress. Taking control of these recurring charges means you're taking control of your budget and reclaiming your peace of mind. Now, let's talk about how to identify your subscriptions effectively. First, start by reviewing your bank and credit card statements. This is a great way to spot any recurring charges that might otherwise go unnoticed. Next, check the app stores on your devices. Both Apple and Google Play stores have sections where you can see all your active subscriptions. Don't forget to scan your email inbox for receipts or confirmation emails related to subscriptions you may have signed up for. Finally, consider using subscription tracking apps or even password managers, as these tools can help uncover recurring charges that you may have forgotten about, making it easier to manage and control your spending. Let's talk about how to audit your subscriptions effectively with SubSaver. The key is to differentiate between services you should keep and those you should cancel. First, focus on keeping the services you frequently use, especially those you rely on weekly or that are essential for your work or daily routines. These are the subscriptions that clearly justify their cost because they add real value to your life. On the other hand, consider canceling subscriptions that you haven't used in the last 3 months, or those that overlap with others, meaning you're paying for similar services twice. Also, be cautious about expensive subscriptions that don't offer much benefit. Making smart decisions about what to keep and what to cut can save you money without sacrificing what's truly important. Now, let's talk about SubSaver, which is all about tools to track and manage your subscriptions effectively. One of the easiest ways to stay on top of your subscriptions is by setting calendar reminders. For example, quarterly review reminders help you audit what you're paying for regularly and catch any unused or unnecessary services before they pile up. You can also take advantage of subscription apps like Truebill or Bobby. These apps automatically detect and track all your recurring charges, giving you a clear overview in one place without the hassle of manual tracking. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of simple tools like bank alerts for recurring charges, or maintaining a spreadsheet or budgeting software to manually track your subscription costs and renewal dates. This combination of automation and manual checks ensures you never get surprised by a renewal you forgot about, helping you keep your subscriptions under control and your budget healthy. Now, let's talk about how to cancel your SubSaver subscription step by step. First, you need to locate your subscription account, either through the app or the website where you signed up. Once you find your subscription details, follow the specific cancellation steps provided by the platform. This could be through the App Store, the company's website, or by contacting customer service directly. After you complete the cancellation process, make sure to save any confirmation emails or documents you receive. Finally, keep an eye on your upcoming billing statements to ensure that no further charges are made. This careful approach will help you avoid unexpected payments after cancellation. Now, let's talk about some practical tips to help you prevent unexpected future costs from subscriptions. First, setting spending limits on app stores can really keep your expenses in check. This way, you avoid overspending without realizing it. Next, it's a good habit to schedule regular subscription audits. Taking the time to review what services you're actually using helps you cancel those you no longer need. Another useful strategy is using prepaid cards for free trials. This prevents automatic charges once the trial period ends, since the card has a limited balance. Lastly, always be cautious with auto-renewal options when signing up for new services. Setting calendar reminders before trial periods expire and thoroughly reading the fine print can save you from surprise charges. Keeping these tips in mind will give you better control over your spending and avoid unnecessary subscription fees. Now, let's talk about SubSaver and the real savings potential it offers. By simply cutting just 2 unused subscriptions, you could save over $300 a year. It might seem like a small change, but those adjustments in your subscription habits can add up to significant savings that you can put towards your bigger financial goals. Many of us have subscriptions that quietly drain our budgets without us even realizing it. Streaming services at $15 a month, gym memberships at $40, or software subscriptions for $10. These costs pile up and impact your finances more than you'd think. SubSaver helps you identify and eliminate these hidden expenses. Here's a real-life example to show how SaveSmart can make a difference. Sarah realized she was spending $45 every month on 3 subscriptions she wasn't even using: a streaming service, a fitness app, and a forgotten magazine subscription. Once she canceled those, she saved a total of $540 over the year. She then put that money into her emergency fund, turning those small savings into a significant financial boost. This example really highlights how identifying and eliminating unnecessary subscriptions can have a meaningful impact on your budget. To wrap up, the first step is to identify all your current subscriptions. Once you have a clear list, audit each one carefully to assess its value and how frequently you actually use it. If you find services that no longer serve your needs, don't hesitate to cancel them. Finally, set calendar reminders to review your subscriptions every quarter. By taking these small, consistent steps, you can achieve significant savings over time without feeling overwhelmed. Now, it's time to take control of your money with SubSaver. Our subscription guide is designed to help you start your audit and identify where you might be overspending. By clicking the link in the bio, you can join our school community and begin your subscription audit today. Remember, small changes add up to big savings, so reclaim your money and make those subscriptions work for you, not against you.